Welcome to Evergreen Garden, where your garden stays alive, beautiful, and full of life all year round. Imagine stepping outside your home, even in the harshest dry season, or after weeks of cold, relentless rain. And your garden is still green, still vibrant, still breathtaking. No dull corners, no dead patches, no lifeless stretches of brown. Just a space that feels calm, fresh, and alive every single day. That's the power of evergreen plants. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 incredible evergreen shrubs and bushes that will completely transform your garden into a year-round paradise. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which plants your garden has been missing and why. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's build your dream garden together. Let's get started. Number 1. Inkberry Holly. If you've ever wanted that clean, full, well-structured look in your garden, this is where you start. Inkberry holly grows in a naturally rounded shape, with dense, rich green foliage that fills all the way down to the ground. Unlike many shrubs that grow sparse and leggy at the base, this one stays balanced from top to bottom. It's ideal for borders, hedges, or as a foundation plant right around your home. And the best part? It's low maintenance, genuinely tough, and adapts well to both wet soil and partial shade, conditions that defeat most other plants. If you want structure, consistency, and zero drama in your garden, this is a strong place to start. Number 2. Evergreen Azalea. Now this is where beauty meets color. Evergreen azaleas don't just stay green all year. They explode with vibrant blooms during flowering season. Picture soft rose-colored flowers covering your garden in spring, then transitioning into glossy green leaves that deepen into rich red tones as cooler months arrive. It's like your garden changes outfits without ever losing its beauty. This plant is perfect if you want elegance and color without sacrificing year-round greenery. Number 3. Boxwood. This is one of the most popular evergreen shrubs in the world, and it's earned that reputation. Boxwood gives you control. You can shape it, sculpt it, and turn it into almost anything you want. Clean, formal hedges, artistic topiary, modern garden borders with crisp, sharp lines. It grows thick, responds beautifully to pruning, and gives your garden that organized, premium look that's hard to achieve with anything else. If you've ever admired those perfectly manicured gardens outside luxury estates, there's a very good chance boxwood was behind the design. Number 4. Mountain Laurel. This one brings something truly special to the table. While many evergreens focus purely on foliage, mountain laurel layers in stunning flowers as well. Its deep, glossy leaves stay beautiful through every season, but during blooming season, it produces intricate, cup-shaped flowers in shades of pink, white, and soft lavender. It's one of those plants that earns a second look from every person who sees it. If you want your garden to feel like it belongs in a nature magazine, mountain laurel belongs in it. Number 5. Golden Euonymus. If your garden feels a little too uniform, a little too all green, this plant changes everything. Golden Euonymus brings bold, eye-catching variegated leaves, blending deep green with bright, warm yellow tones that light up any space. It adds contrast, energy, visual excitement. And here's what makes it even better. It's one of the easiest plants on this list to grow. No complicated care, no fussing over soil conditions. Plant it, step back, and watch your garden gain a new dimension of color. Number 6. Winter Heath. Now imagine a plant that blooms, even in the coldest, most unforgiving months of the year. Winter Heath does exactly that. While most plants go dormant and disappear, Winter heath produces delicate, bell-shaped pink flowers that can bloom even under a layer of snow. Yes, under snow. It's a powerful reminder that your garden doesn't have to go quiet in winter. With the right plants, it stays active, colorful, and alive, no matter what the season brings. Number 7. Oregon grape. This plant gives you genuine all-season value. In spring, bright yellow flowers. By late summer, clusters of deep blue, grape-like berries. Come fall, the leaves shift into rich bronze and red tones. It's like having 3 completely different plants in one. And beyond the visuals, it brings a natural, slightly wild energy that makes your garden feel organic, like it belongs to the landscape, not just placed in it. Number 8. Bearberry. If you're working with tough conditions, poor soil, strong winds, exposed slopes, or even salt spray near coastal areas, this plant is made for you. Bearberry is extraordinarily resilient. It grows low and spreading, forming a thick, glossy green carpet across the ground. Then it adds small, pinkish-white flowers in spring, followed by bright red berries that hold through winter. It's quiet, it's strong, and it's genuinely beautiful in its simplicity. Perfect for ground cover, slopes, and all those empty problem spots nothing else will fill. Number 9. Cotoneaster. This is one of those plants that does its best work when everything else starts to fade. As temperatures drop, its small, glossy leaves transform into rich bronze and deep red, creating a warm, glowing look right when your garden needs it most. Then come the berries. Bright red, bold, long-lasting. When the rest of the garden grows quiet, Cotoneaster stands out. It's the plant that keeps your garden from ever looking abandoned. Number 10. Blue holly. This is where everything comes together. Blue holly brings deep blue-green leaves, strong architectural structure, and striking visual contrast. In spring, soft white flowers appear. But the real moment comes later. Vivid red berries emerge against those dark, dramatic leaves, one of the most striking color combinations in any garden. Bold, elegant, impossible to ignore. If you want one plant that makes a statement from every angle, in every season, this is it. Now here's the truth. A beautiful garden isn't about having the most plants. It's about choosing the right ones. The ones that stay with you through every season. The ones that don't disappear when conditions get hard. The ones that keep your space alive, full, and beautiful, no matter what. That's what evergreen plants give you. Consistency, beauty, life, all year round. So if you're planning to upgrade your garden, start with these. Pick one. Or pick all 10. Either way, your garden will never look the same. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what we're building next. This is Evergreen Garden, where your plants don't just grow, they thrive. See you in the next one.